Hello friends, I am going to tell you some rock beat pattern with percussion notation. This video is for those keyboard players who played keyboard with staff notation. You can use standard kit or rock kit on your keyboard for play these exercises. First, it is percussion clef symbol. It indicates that the lines and spaces of the stave are each assigned to a percussion instrument or drum kit. Kick bass drum. This is notated on the bottom space of the staff. And play C note of your keyboard for play kick. Snare. Snare notated on the second space of the staff. For play snare on your keyboard, you can press D note from left hand. Hi-hat. Hi-hat is notated as a X-like cross mark on top of the staff. You can use F-sharp note from right hand for play this. Crash cymbal. Crash cymbals are notated with a cross mark on the first ledger line above the stave. For play crash cymbal, use C-sharp key from right hand. Toms of standard kit. This high tom is notated on the 5th line, and low tom is notated on the 4th line of the staff. Play high tom from C note and low tom from A note of keyboard. Now, start rock beat pattern exercises. Exercise 1.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Exercise 2.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Exercise 3.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Exercise 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Exercise 5.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Exercise 6.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Exercise 7.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Exercise 8.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Exercise 9.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Exercise 10.
1, 2, 3, 4.
If you like this video, then please click on thumbs up icon below and subscribe channel. Thank you for watching, and keep drumming on keyboard.